01, ma'am. Go to the transaction code AS01. Go to the transaction code AS01 and give the asset class. Plant and machinery, take out that one and yeah, click on the enter. Okay, just give a description as plant and machinery 2. Plant and machinery 2. Plant and machinery 2. Take out the asset capitalization date. Shall we take out the asset capitalization date as 01.03.2024? Go to the depreciation areas directly. Give the depreciation key M01, and useful life 1 year. Useful life is 1 year. Just give 1 year and period. So no need to have any periods, and the depreciation start date is 01.03.2024. Yes, and yeah, go to the dividend and save it. Now go to the transaction code F-90. Go to the transaction code F-90. Take out the document date. Purchase asset from vendor. Take out documented purchase asset from vendor. Yeah. Take out the account. Go to the continue option. Take out any second account. 78. Yeah. Go to the transaction type. Give the transaction type. Yes. 100. External acquisition. External asset acquisition. Yeah. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. And give the amount. Give the amount. 35,000 rupees is the amount. Okay, give the text. Purchase asset from the vendor. And take out the posting key. Give backspace. Automatically it will come. 70 is the posting key. Take out the second one. Plant and machinery and transaction type. Transaction type is 100. Click on the enter and give the amount. No issue. Give the amount star and text as please. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Now go to the transaction code AW01N. Good. Go to the transaction code AW01N. So 35,000 rupees, and go to the posted values. In that posted values, and what is that? 148 rupees is the main thing, and yeah, give slash in, and go to the transaction code. No. Take out the new screen. Take out the new screen, and go to the transaction code AFAB. Go to the transaction code AFAB. Depreciation calculation. AFAB. Yes. So in that AFAB, and take out the posting period 12, and take out the unplanned posting run, and take out this main asset number. Go to the drop down option. Take out the yes. Yeah. And go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Yes. Continue. Test run contain errors. Go to that test run contain errors. Here only. Go up. You have the symbol like yellow option. That one. Go to the error list. Posting already performed a 012. Okay, remove it. Come back. Remove it. Come back. One step back. And take out the repeat run. Take out the repeat run. Go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Continue. So now it is taking the 148. Okay, come back. One step back. Remove the test run. Remove the test run and remove the main asset numbers in all. Main asset number and asset sub number. Go to the program. Go to the program and execute in the background. Give the LP01 and go to the continue option. Go to the continue option. Immediate, check and save it. Okay, so then give slash in. Go to the transaction code AW01N. That screen. Open that screen. Already you have screen, right? Go to the refresh option. Go to the asset, or let's refresh the asset. Yes, refresh the asset. Go to the posted values. Go to the posted values. So this 148 rupees has been posted. Okay. Then next, what we need to do is this is the 35,000 rupees only, right? Yeah. Go to the transaction code F-92. Go to the transaction code F-92. Go to the transaction code F-92. Take out the document date as 31st.03.2024. 31st.03.2024. Sale of asset to the customer, and take out the posting, account as customer account. Click on the enter, no issue. Okay, and take out the amount as 30,000 rupees. Take out the amount as 30,000 rupees. Take out the posting key. 50 is the posting key, and go to the account. Continue. Sale of asset account. Right. So click on the enter. Click on the enter, and take out the amount as a star. And now take out the asset retirement. Take out the asset retirement. Click on the enter. In that, take out the asset. Take out the asset. plant and machinery 2, transaction type, and asset value date is what is the asset value date that we have taken. What is the asset value date that we have taken? 01st.2003, right? 01.03.2024. That is the only thing, right? Or else you just maintain asset value date as current value date. That is 31st.03.2023 so 24. Take out that one. Complete retirement. Take out the complete retirement. No need to enter any amount. Go to the continue option. Now go to the document simulate option. Document simulate option. Yes, now it is calculating the accumulated depreciation account. Okay, so accumulated depreciation is what all of you 148 rupees. I think so. Previously we have taken the asset retirement value date as 01.03.2024. That is why it is taking total amount. Okay, so don't take out that asset retirement value date. Okay, so take out the present date. I mean, or else whatever the date that you want to do the retirement process and all, you can able to have it. Okay, so go to the save button and save it now. Yeah, now you got the point, right? All of you. So go to the document simulate option. Sorry, document display option. I will show you what is the accumulated depreciation. So accumulated depreciation is 148 that we have posted. Okay, okay, it is coming into the picture, and the sale of asset amount is how much sale of asset amount? That is 15,000 rupees that you have entered. Okay, so when it comes to the 35,000 rupees, okay, that is the 35,000 rupees is the main asset. Okay, and when it comes to the loss of the asset, how much? Sorry, 30,000 we have entered, right? Yeah, got it. So 30,000 we have entered. 35,000 rupees is the main asset, and we have calculated the depreciation, that is 148 rupees, and loss on sale of asset is 4,852 rupees. You got my point, right, all of you? Loss on asset is, I mean, loss on sale of asset is 4,852 rupees. We have got the loss. I will take this screenshot for you. If you are not getting any accumulated depreciations and on, share it to me. Okay, why? Because I think so we will make mistake based on the asset retirement valuation data also. That is the point that we have. Okay, in the previous thing, we haven't entered the asset value date as current date. I mean, whatever the selling of asset date that we have. So we haven't entered. So that's why we got that error. You got my point, right, all of you? So now what we need to do, so you can check with the AW01N. Check with AW01N. Go to the transaction code AW01N. Now see all of you, what is the ordinary depreciation? That is 148 rupees is the ordinary depreciation values. Same thing. 148 is the ordinary depreciation value. Go to the posted values and you can able to see it. See, this value has been posted. So previously you have you have got the planned depreciation. Okay, I will show you why, because you have done the particular asset retirement process based on the asset value date, that is 01.03.2024. So that's why you got it. You got the planned depreciation once again. So depreciation has been reversed. I will show you. Go to the asset. Go to the asset. So this is the main scenario, all of you. So that is why we have taken the 01.03.2024 to show you the particular asset valuations things and all. You got my point? Go to the drop down option. Take out the 5001 that is plant and machinery 1. Take out the plant and machinery 1. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. Okay, so when it comes to the planned depreciations, okay, this has been posted, but when it comes to the asset value process, okay, it will be reversed. Okay, go to the planned values. Go to the planned values. Okay, see all of you. You have got only 10,000 rupees, and you haven't calculated any depreciation, ordinary depreciation values. This is the main scenario they will going to ask you in the interview point of view. Okay, so I have taken the asset value date as asset acquisition date. Okay, asset acquisition date from the particular vendor, right? So in the particular posted values or in the asset explorer, we have posted the depreciation. And when it comes to the customer retirement process, okay, or else asset retirement process with particular customer, we have taken the asset value date as 01.03.2024. So now it is not calculated. They will not going to mention asset value date. When it comes to the, we have done the F-92 asset selling process and all to the customer. Now the posted value is particular depreciation values, but it is not taking the accumulated depreciation value in the planned values of the asset explorer. Okay, why it is not taking? So you have to give the solution for that. Asset value date should be changed. Okay. Then you can able to get that particular thing, accumulated depreciation values, or we can call it as a ordinary depreciation. Ordinary depreciation is nothing but the straight line methods only. Okay. That is very, very important, all of you. Are you getting my points right? Good. And I will, yeah, no issue.